Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Gold VIP expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this one is positioned as a specialist robot for trading XAUUSD. So I went through the MQ5 page, looked at their live signal, ran my own tests, and in this video we are going to review everything about the Gold VIP expert advisor. So ensure you watch until the end to get the whole picture. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below. It's totally free and it's worth it, so ensure you check it out. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. Let's start with what the developer claims. Gold VIP is built specifically for gold on the 1 minute time frame. And according to them, it's a trend following system that combines EMA trend filtering on higher time frames like the 1 hour, the 4 hours, or daily, and it uses this to establish the overall market bias. The EMA is just the exponential moving average, and then it uses this EMA crossovers on the 1 minute for precise entry timing. They also incorporate price action confirmation like engulfing patterns, breakout retest setups to filter out weak signals. So all of these are aligned in the MQ5 page. Everything is here. They are very transparent about how their expert advisor works, and the developer, who is Nguyen Chong, is quite popular on the MQ5 community, has a host of some other expert advisors, and also has his signal to show for it. And this is all from the Gold VIP expert advisor. You can configure it to trade only buys, only sells, or both direction. The position management includes fixed profit targets in points or dollars, a trailing stop that activates at around 2/3 of the target, and a stop loss that can either be fixed or dynamic based on those higher time frame EMAs. They make it clear it's not using any grid or martingale or averaging. It's one trade at a time with proper risk controls. And also, I had the opportunity to check their live signal, and this is what it looks like. It's been running only a few weeks, but shows 9.37% growth from a small starting deposit. And this is their statistics. Win rate sits at 88.9% with 16 wins out of 18 trades. Max drawdown around 24%. That is quite high, so you should be careful if you are trading on an account that has strict policies on the drawdowns like prop firms. Also, we have a low deposit load at just 4.2%, and mostly short trades in that period. Monthly growth is around 9%, profit factor 1.73, and an average holding time of 16 hours. Basically, they present it as clean, disciplined approach for gold trading, and this is all they show on their signals. At least they're transparent about it, which is commendable. This is all on their signals. Now, going back to this, we have some features that they market. We have the full control over trade direction. You can also edit the multi-layers of the EMA filters. Then there's price action models, which you can switch, and there's the trailing stop loss logic and a dashboard for easy monitoring. There's also the magic number. There are alerts. You can also customize the dashboard size, all of this, they're all there. It all sounds professional and focused, exactly what you would expect from a gold specialist expert advisor. This is exactly what you can edit on their settings, on the inputs, and all of these are customizable. And this is their backtest. They show this backtest has actually been running for 2 years, and this is how they paint their backtest results. As we can see, this steady upward movement. But is it true? Is this actually how it works? I had the opportunity to run my own backtest on XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame from April 2025 to April 2026 with a $10,000 US deposit. The equity curve looks genuinely solid. This is how it looks. Very steady upward movement with only small shallow pullbacks throughout the year. It closed with about 2,367 US dollar profit, giving a profit factor of 2.42. Total trades came in at 246 with strong win rates, especially on the long side. We are looking at 93% win rate. That is very, very commendable. And the max drawdown on this 1 year backtest is 4.93%, as compared to the signal where we had to over 20% max drawdown. This is smaller. This is smaller. The whole year we just had 4% max drawdown, so this is smaller, but you should also be careful if it tends to happen in a day. If it happens in a day, it could take your account, if your account has strict limits of 4% daily drawdowns. So overall, this is small and this is commendable. Their win rate is also commendable, 93%. Yeah, and these are the numbers over a year's backtest. Good total net profit. Everything here is commendable. Compared to the developer's short signal, my longer test shows more realistic behavior. The curve is smooth. The max balance drawdown stayed under 2.2%, though equity drawdown was a bit higher, as you saw. And the thing is, while the backtest looks excellent, this 1 minute time frame trend systems on gold can be sensitive to spreads and slippages in live trading. So when getting a live account, you should get a broker that is spread sensitive, has good spreads to ensure that you can trade properly with this expert advisor. Honestly, the inputs that actually matter are the trade direction settings and the EMA periods for trend buyers, the price action filters, the trailing stop activation, and lot size controls. The rest is mostly for convenience, like the dashboard and other things, EA name and all of this. But these are the main things you can edit and customize to help your expert advisor work as it's supposed to work. For my backtest, I used the default settings that came with the expert advisor. I didn't really change anything. Now, my verdict for the Gold VIP expert advisor is that it's one of the cleaner gold robots I've tested. No dangerous money management tricks, good higher time frame filtering, and it respects trend alignment. Yeah, from the 1 hour, the 4 hours, the daily, all down to the 1 minute. Very good mechanism on how they take their trades. But in practice, expect higher drawdowns live than the backtest shows, especially during news events or ranging periods. As we saw in the backtest, we have low drawdowns, but in the live accounts, we are seeing drawdowns of about 24%. So you should be careful. I guess it's due to spreads and slippages that happen during the live account or live trading. So this is why you should get a very spread sensitive broker. But in practice, you should just expect higher drawdowns, just like in the live. And gold is volatile. 1 or 2 big losses can test your patience. So it's how it is with gold. I would say this expert advisor is for experienced traders or proper account users who want a dedicated XAUUSD trend follower and can run it on a low spread ECN broker. But beginners or people on high spread brokers or anyone looking for super aggressive daily trading should probably avoid this expert advisor or look elsewhere. That's my straight take on the Gold VIP expert advisor. Like this video if this type of review helps you, and subscribe, turn on the notifications so you can catch the next videos which are going to be uploaded on this channel. We have reviewed a lot of expert advisors like this in the past, and also more will be coming up in a couple of weeks. So drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to review next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description, and thank you for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.